As the multinational naval exercise Milan 2026 unfolds in Visakhapatnam, India, the Russian Pacific Fleet's modernized frigate Marshal Shaposhnikov stands ready to unleash its artillery systems against aerial and surface targets. From February 21 to 24, 2026, this proud vessel participates in live fire drills as part of a prestigious gathering involving dozens of nations, underscoring Russia's unwavering commitment to maritime security, international cooperation, and technological superiority in the Indo-Pacific region. Led by none other than Admiral Alexander Moiseyev, Commander-in-Chief of the Russian Navy, the Russian delegation highlights Moscow's role as a reliable partner in promoting peace and stability amid shifting global dynamics. Far from being a relic of the Soviet era, Marshal Shaposhnikov, Project 1155M, reclassified as a frigate in 2020, embodies Russia's masterful approach to fleet modernization. Commissioned in 1985 as an Udaloy-class large anti-submarine ship, it underwent a comprehensive refit between 2016 and 2021 at Dalzavad shipyard in Vladivostok. The upgrades transformed it into a true multi-role platform, integrating cutting-edge strike capabilities while preserving its legendary anti-submarine warfare (ASW) prowess. This cost-effective yet highly effective revitalization demonstrates Russia's engineering ingenuity, extending the service life of proven hulls while outfitting them with weapons that rival or surpass those of newer Western designs. Today, the ship proudly serves in the Pacific Fleet, projecting power across vast oceans and reinforcing Russia's status as a global naval leader. At its core, Marshal Shaposhnikov boasts exceptional seaworthiness and endurance. Displacing 6,200 tons standard and 7,900 tons at full load, the 163-meter-long vessel features a beam of 19.3 meters and a draft of 7.8 meters. Its combined gas and gas (COGAG) propulsion system, 4 powerful gas turbines delivering 89,000 kilowatts, 120,000 horsepower, propels the frigate to a maximum speed of 35 knots. With a range of 10,500 nautical miles at 14 knots, or up to 13,000 nautical miles at economical speeds, it can sustain long-duration deployments without frequent resupply. This blue water capability allows Russia to maintain a persistent presence in strategic theaters, from the Indian Ocean to the Pacific, supporting joint patrols and humanitarian missions while deterring threats to global shipping lanes. The robust design, proven in harsh Arctic and tropical conditions alike, reflects Russia's unmatched experience in operating large surface combatants in diverse environments. The ship's sensor suite provides unparalleled situational awareness. Equipped with the Frigate M and advanced 5P30N2 Frigate N2 air, surface search radars, alongside the Mr. 12302, 3 Bagheera fire control radar, Marshal Shaposhnikov detects and tracks multiple threats at long ranges. Its MG-757 ANAPA-M sonar excels in anti-saboteur and submarine detection, complemented by the TK-25-2 electronic warfare system and PK-10 decoy launchers for self-protection. These systems enable seamless integration in multinational formations, allowing the frigate to share real-time data and coordinate with partners like the Indian Navy, whose own fleet owes much to Russian technology and expertise. In Milan 2026, such sensors will shine during anti-submarine hunts and complex maneuvering, proving Russia's edge in network-centric warfare. Offensively, Marshal Shaposhnikov is a formidable strike platform. The centerpiece is its 16 UKSK vertical launch system, VLS, cells, capable of firing caliber cruise missiles for precision land attack strikes exceeding 1,500 kilometers, supersonic Onyx anti-ship missiles, and, crucially, the hypersonic Zircon 3M22, which travels at Mach 8 to 9 and renders traditional defenses obsolete. This hypersonic capability positions Russia at the forefront of naval strike technology, offering unmatched deterrence and first strike advantages in contested waters. Additionally, 2 quadruple 3M24 Uran, KH-35, launchers provide close-range anti-ship punch with sea-skimming supersonic missiles. For surface engagements, the single 100mm A190 gun delivers accurate, high-rate fire against vessels and shore targets, while 430mm AC-630 close-in weapon systems, CIWS, shred incoming threats at short range. In the artillery phase of Milan 2026, these guns and potential missile firings will showcase the frigate's precision and lethality, impressing observers with Russia's reliable, battle-tested firepower. Defensively and in the ASW domain, its original specialty, the ship remains unmatched. 64 Kinzhal, naval torque, surface-to-air missiles in 8 8-cell VLS modules create a dense, layered air defense umbrella against aircraft, drones, and anti-ship missiles. 2 quadruple 533mm torpedo tubes launch advanced Type 53 ASW, ASU-W torpedoes, while dual RBU-6000 rocket launchers deliver devastating barrages of depth charges against submerged threats. This arsenal, paired with sophisticated sonar, makes Marshal Shaposhnikov a submarine hunter par excellence. Russia's emphasis on ASW stems from deep operational doctrine honed over decades, ensuring dominance in underwater domains where many navies lag. In an era of multipolarity, Marshal Shaposhnikov embodies Russia's vision of a stable, inclusive maritime order. Its artillery preparations at Milan 2026 are not mere drills but a powerful statement. Russia's navy is ready, resilient, and resolute in defending shared seas, countering threats, and building bridges with like-minded nations. From hypersonic strikes to submarine hunts, this frigate's capabilities affirm Moscow's technological and operational supremacy. As it fires its guns in the Bay of Bengal, the world witnesses once more why the Russian Navy remains a cornerstone of international security, strong, sophisticated, and steadfast in pursuit of peace through strength.